In order to set up migration with new framework SwiftData, you need to do a couple of things. The first thing you need to do is that you need to have an enum that conforms to version schema. So this is our first version of database, local database. In this version, we need to define models. You can copy this line of code. In this array, you add your classes, tables that you will have inside database. Here I have two models, video and keyboard. They are defined inside this enum. This is the static version identifier, schema version. So the first version is 1.0.0. That's it. Then we want to migrate to version 2 of our local database, which is this enum that is copied. Almost all is the same, but with a few changes. First change is that we changed our version to 1.1.0 and our models are not the same. In this example, I added one more field to our class model video. Because of that, I needed to change the version to 1.1.0. We usually change the middle number when we add some parameter, delete some parameter, or something that's not really difficult in order for our database to migrate it. Then we need to make a database migration plan. Database migration plan is also an enum which conforms to schema migration plan. And here we need to implement static var schemas. Again, you can copy this line. Here are your schemas. So this is the version 1 and version 2. In our stages, here we need to make a migration stage, and this is, we made it here. So this is migrate v1 to v2. When we would make a version 3, then we would just add comma and make a new one, migrate v2 to v3. So this migration stage is custom from version new schema v1 to version new schema v2 will migrate, did migrate. This is here you can make some code before the migration happens, and here you can execute some code that will happen after the migration. In this example, we could also use lightweight because this is a lightweight change. We only added one parameter and our DB can migrate it automatically, so it's not something difficult. Okay, and the last thing you need to do is go to your main structure. Here you need to define model container. In initializer, you need to use this try model container for. We need to add our tables. I added new tables from schema v2. So I have two tables, and comma migration plan. We need to write our class database migration plan we previously created. And after that, the last thing we need to do is on our window group, we need to add model container and that container with migration. And that's it. That's all you need to do in order to implement a local database with migration in Xcode. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.